Hey guys, in this lovely eBay packet is the Zoom U24. This is a portable audio interface, as they call it, a handy audio interface. Now, there's a few different versions that they've got out there. These aren't recorders. As you guys know, I used to have the Zoom H6 a few years ago until the micro SD card slot broke. There is a larger U24, and that was the one that I was probably leaning towards, but the U24 is around, you can see here, around £75 in the UK. I managed to pick up the U24 for only £46.74. Now the U44 is only like 10 or 15, more. It's not a lot more expensive. But this does have everything that I need. So it was a very good purchase for the price. So I'll do a separate video where I talk more about the features, where I talk more about the specifications and all that. That is something that I can do later on. I will link to this so you guys can check it out. But for now, let's get this thing opened and see what the device is like and just see what's in the box. So the eBay seller sold this as brand new. I'm not sure if it is. It doesn't look brand new. Or maybe it's just badly packaged because the box is damaged. Yeah, that doesn't look new at all. Yeah, that's not new. Sold it as new. That isn't new. I don't think that's new. But for the price, I still can't complain because it's probably more expensive to even buy that second hand. So in the box, what you can see here, the U24 2-in, 4-out audio and MIDI for mobile recording and live performance. I have an annoying sticker over this part of the box. Can I get this off? Yes, I can. Oh, it's going to rip off. And the box does show the device at the top there, so you can see a lot of different things here. You've got the mic in and out. These are TRS and XLR combo ports. Line in and out, MIDI's at the other side there, USB. This isn't a recorder, as I said, this is just an audio interface. But it is very, very portable. And that's something I was looking for. What I'm using right now, what I'm using at my desk, is the Audient ID22. It's a very, very good audio interface, but it's big and it's bulky and it's not something that I can easily take around with me. This is something that I can use in hotel rooms. I can use it when I'm traveling. I can use it downstairs. You guys know that I was looking at a portable recording setup. Okay, so I've got a very large and very dull grey USB. The old style there. Good size cable. Underneath this area we have a few different manuals and things. We've got say hello to your new studio. No thank you. A few things in different languages there. A thank you for purchasing the product type cable. We've got a manual which is dog-eared, again supporting my theory that this is second hand. So the manual looks like it's all in English, so I guess that's good. Normally in Europe you get about 50 different languages in the manual. So this explains what it's all about. And then we have the device, and hopefully this is in good condition. So here we have the Zoom U24, and my first impression looks great. It's actually very light, but it's probably a little bit bigger than I thought it would be. I own the Zoom H6 and it's a very similar size to that, so it looks like they've used a very similar shell. The Zoom H6 has obviously got the micro SD card slot for recording. It's got a lot of other things. More versatile device. But this has very good preamps. I believe it's the same preamps in this one and all the, in the U44 and all that as well. So if I'll look around the side here, you can, so on the right hand side, there's nothing. At the bottom, there is a Zoom logo. No connection there. The side here you've got, I can zoom in a little bit better, you've got USB power, you've got off, and then you've got battery, DC in, tablet. At the top you have the connection port for your USB cable, DC 5 volts, MIDI out and in. It is 2 AA batteries in the back. I'll mainly be using USB power. It's handy to, if you are doing any kind of remote recording via tablet or phone or anything like that, it's good to know that you can input batteries at the back to give it some juice. But most you know, most things are controlled on this main interface, and I do like that about it. I do like that everything's at the top and you can just control it there very easily. You've got your XLR and TRS combo inputs there, 1 and 2, high Z, 48 volts, gain levels, line out 1 and 2, left and right. You've got phones and you can do line out for monitoring there. You've got your main out, and then you've got your phone, your headphones level, direct monitor, input, playback. So these are things I need to kind of mess about with as well. There's a power bit down there as well. And, you know, just looking at the device, if I kind of scroll down, you can see it. Whether this is second hand or not, you know, I honestly don't care, because it is in mint condition and I did get it at a fantastic price. So, you know, as I said, these are combo ports, so you can put in, you know, a line in there, no problem. What I'll be using it for is if I'm sitting downstairs or if I'm traveling, I will take a mic, condenser mic, dynamic mic like this. This is my old Shure SM58. It's seen better days, but still works great. But this will allow me to take this and a mic, and then just, you know, I can even take a lavalier mic, or I can take anything really. You know, with an XLR connection, you can do a lot of different things. Yeah, so looks like it's going to be a very, very versatile device. So if I can get this out now, there we go. Right, so as far as the box goes, I'm assuming that the seller sold me everything that comes with this. I don't think there's anything missing. It comes with the U24 itself. It comes with what looks like a very long cable. I guess it's probably going to be about 1 meter or 2 meters. I'll check that and I'll detail that in another video. We've got the handy audio interface, which is all in English. Gives you explanations about how all this works as far as how you can use it. There are some features on this that you'll find in the U44. You won't find on this, sorry. So a few things missing there, but yeah, some miscellaneous documentation that you don't need. But all in all, this is what you're looking at. This is what you're looking to get. And yeah, cable and U24. That's basically what's in the box, and a little manual. So I'm looking forward to testing this out, guys. I'm going to do some tests. I'm going to use it for a while. Then I'll do some audio tests, and then I'll do another video. I'll give you my final thoughts on it. I want to use it for a while. I want to see what I like, what I don't like, and give you my thoughts on it. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please do stay tuned. I will be doing follow-up videos, as I said. And yeah, looking forward to giving this a try. Till next time, guys. Thanks for watching.